this is my thumbnail which has got click-through rate of 18.4%, which is really cool. Now in this video I would be actually sharing 2 ways to make your template standing out of the crowd.
If your YouTube videos click-through rate CTR is not more than 6%, then that's an alarming sign for you. So in this video, I'll tell you 2 best ways to make your thumbnail super professional and get more than 8% click-through rate. Yes, you hear me right, more than 8% click-through rate, and I will show you how you can make your thumbnail that effective, because I'm going to give you 2 secret blueprints which I got to know from my mentor, which no one tells you. So what are you waiting for? Just watch this video till the end, and without any further ado, let's straight go to our script.
So I'm going to show you one result first. See, this is my thumbnail which has got click-through rate of 18.4%, which is really cool. So I'm going to show you how did I create this for one of my videos, and I got through 18.4% of click-through rate. You can do one thing, you can just go to YouTube thumbnail. So here basically the templates come. So at this moment I'm not using all this. I'm showing you how did I make that. It will recreate it. So it's the same size, exactly same size. So first I've taken a new page, and then I'll go to element. I'll take one of such squares, and then I will just make it bigger, tilted, to give it a better pattern. Make sure the corners are not shown. So this is what exactly I'm looking for. Now I'm going to change this color. This is not my logo color. My logo color is this, so I prefer to keep it like this. So this part I'm going to use for my photo, and this part for text. So I'll go to upload section. There I have this photo ready. Now if you want to know how I made this photo, I will show you the actual photo which I used for this. This was the actual photo which turned out to be like this. Now if you want to see, I'm not including this modification part. I'm going to make a separate video on this, how did I create this particular pattern, right? So I will make another separate video on this. So first I'll have to remove the background from here. So I'll go to edit image, I'll go to background remover. Now this is basically a pro version. If you're not having a pro version, then you probably won't be getting this option, but that's okay. You can also take any of your pictures. So I think I'm okay with this. Yes. And now I will have to just put the text part. For that I will have to go to text. Now I usually prefer to take one particular effect, which is this font. I will just copy this and paste it, because I need to make different colored text. So I'll just copy paste it. Now I'm going to just change these colors. Here you can actually use a logo as well. Type YouTube logo. I can use this one. Now you see the shadow is positioned rightly, but I need to just flip it so that it is realistic, and just like this. And now I'll have to go to position and backward. So it has gone backward, and I'll have to, if I want to make it little less vibrant, what I do is I select it, I go to transparency, and I just reduce the transparency to make it more realistic. So this is the final one. To download this, I used to use PNG, but at times it goes beyond the limit of YouTube's thumbnail size. So I prefer to go for JPG, just download. Now I'm going to show you even in easier way where you can use thumbnails, I will go for this one. I think this one might suit me, and I love to do some merge up this element in the between to just give a 3D effect. So let me start modifying this, customizing this template. If I want the same sort of a font and same size, I just need to click on this, and then I need to go to these three dots, and I'm just going to take this copy style and just put it here, and there we go, we got the exact same font size. So here, instead of writing Canva, I want to just create one logo of Canva. So Canva logo, it is better to have it simple, and this color also matches. That's the reason I chosen this particular font. I'm going to be using the color of Canva, so I'm just selecting the text, and I'll use this color again, this color, or else I can do one thing. I can just this type, same thing, this style, and I'm done. Okay, I'm almost done with it. Now all I need is one YouTube icon over here, and I'm going to change this photo for sure. So let me go and grab one YouTube logo, and then I will give one shadow. Now I will have to change this picture. Okay, so I will preferably use one of my pictures, so I'm choosing this one with this. Now I want this picture to look at this text. So what I need to do is I need to flip it horizontally so that it looks realistic. I can even change the background if I want. I can make any color. Now I want to use this particular effect. Now I have pasted it here. Now I can change the color. Maybe this one would blend better. Now the problem is, you see the Canva has gone the back of it, so I'll just select Canva and I'll go to position forward. Now it is okay. Now again this shadow has gone at the back, so this is pretty tricky to select it and then to back. And you see, after I did to back, this has come in front of it, right? So this is my final thumbnail which I wanted to create. So I hope you like this. This is the kind of thumbnail you can make to set your YouTube video far better than others, and likewise you can get a better click through it. Today till here, as I told you, if you really want to know how did I create this sort of a picture, you got to see my next video on next week, where I'll be showing different special effects can be used and hidden elements which are super cool to be used on your templates, and that can make your template far better than others. With that, I'll be signing off for now. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.
Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, then please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Every week I keep uploading different tutorials on different topics which are related to graphic designing or digital marketing. So if you have any question in your mind, then don't hesitate to write it in the comment section below, and I will personally address it. You can also follow me on my Facebook and Instagram. The link is given at the bottom of this video. So thank you so much for being with me. Stay tuned. I'll be coming back with some new topic next week. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.